In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 robots that will change the world. Make sure to watch till the end. Number 1 will blow your mind. Number 5, Boston Dynamics, Atlas. This humanoid robot is built for agility. Atlas can walk, run, jump, and even do parkour. Created by Boston Dynamics, it's designed for disaster response, search and rescue, and complex tasks where humans can't go. It's not just a robot, it's a machine with muscle. Number 4, Tesla Optimus. Elon Musk's humanoid robot Optimus is designed to handle everyday tasks. From lifting heavy boxes to helping in factories, Tesla believes Optimus will soon be a part of your daily life. Imagine having your own robot assistant at home. That's the future Tesla wants. Number 3, Ameca, the most human robot. Developed by Engineered Arts in the UK, Ameca is designed to interact with humans like never before. Perfect for customer service, education, and even companionship. Meet Ameca, the world's most advanced humanoid with realistic facial expressions and conversation. Number 2, NASA's Valkyrie. Built for space missions, NASA's Valkyrie robot is designed to work on Mars and beyond. With advanced sensors and mobility, it's the astronaut's robotic partner, preparing for the future of space exploration. The journey to Mars might just start with a robot. Number 1, Sophia by Hanson Robotics. And at number 1, we have Sophia the robot that became a global celebrity. She's the first robot to be granted citizenship by Saudi Arabia and can hold conversations, express emotions, and even crack jokes. Sophia represents the future of AI-powered humans, and it's only the beginning. Robots are evolving fast, and they're already changing our world. Which robot amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more mind-blowing tech content. Thanks for watching. The future is here.